How hard should we really study? I'm sure we have heard the inspirational quote, "It's a marathon, not a sprint," suggesting that we should pace ourselves and conserve our energy in preparation for the final stretch, in which we are going to be sprinting towards the finish line. But can this approach be applied wholesale to A levels? And specifically, is this our best strategy for H2 math? In my last video, I spoke about revising just 50% of pure math for the upcoming JC2 H2 math mid-year exam. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll put a link in the description. In this video, I want to talk about exactly how hard we are supposed to be studying. Should we really pace ourselves in case we peak too early in the year, or should we go full steam ahead, pedal to the metal? My advice is to be setting for ourselves realistic and achievable goals and be more conservative in terms of the number of topics. We should absolutely not be conservative when it comes to putting in the effort to study these topics. In other words, don't hold back and pace yourself. Instead, study at maximum strength. The reason I say this is because, unlike other A-level subjects, the best strategy for H2 math is to put in the hard work required to reach high level early on. Think of it as a cruising altitude. Because of the nature of H2 math, with consistent practice, you will be able to maintain that high cruising altitude while continuing to work on other topics, getting them to the same level, repeating this process until you have attained this for all your H2 math topics. This is also the most sustainable way to study A-levels, bearing in mind that we are not going to be just doing H2 math. You are currently going to be studying for other subjects as well, so having H2 math at a consistently high level will actually free up your mental resources, which can then be allocated effectively to your other subjects. So yes, it is indeed a marathon and not a sprint, and we need to make smart decisions that will enable us to steadily improve and maintain our performance at consistently high cruising altitude. Let's sail forth, guys!